Hi! Today we're gonna do something different. There's lots of cool stuff online, but sometimes you just want to move your butt and do it yourself, you know? So I bought this. It's a solar-powered Merbot, lunar rover, and hopefully it also runs on rain, considering today's weather. Let's see what's in the box. Alright, we've got wooden body parts, 4 wheels, a motor, solar panels, Chinese-only instructions, and some other stuff. Well, the last time I fiddled with electronics, I broke a button in my mouse when soldering, so let's hope this one's gonna go better. Without further ado, let's start DIYing. Alright, so this goes here. Well, I think I got this. So now this. Man, why couldn't they give the instructions in English? Okay. Okay, so I think it's done. If you've enjoyed this video so far, consider subscribing for even more cool tech and maybe some more DIY projects. But before we test this puppy, let's see what you guys think about the previous video. Yeah, you didn't leave any comments. Again, let's move on. The sun has failed us today, so the torches are only help. I mean, look at him go. It seems like we've got competition for the fastest man alive. Let's hope it won't get milked for 8.5 years and 9 seasons of superhero soap opera drama with mediocre crossovers. Oddly specific? Yes it is. So I'm not sure what else to say. It wasn't that hard to assemble and I quite enjoyed it. There's just something about things like this that just hit different when you are the one that brings them to life from a few parts to a fully assembled pinnacle of engineering. To be honest, I'm not even sure if I should rate the toy or my work, so I'll give it a solid snip of wood glue out of 10. So what do you think? Would you rather assemble a DIY gadget like this, or not have the hassle and get something already working out of the box? If you liked this video, let me know in the comments down below. See ya!